Hello, dear students. Now here we have a question that we are going to deal with about how to find the equation of line. Then after, we have to find out the gradient. After gradient, you have to find also what we call a special thing, which is a line. After line, we have to set out how should we integrate that line from a point, right? So let's have a point A. It is, for example, 3, 2, and B, which is, are we together? 5 and 10. Some question. Find. I've asked you to find. This is A. Yes, gradient. Gradient. B, it will be what we call, this is a gradient, as I told you. B is what we call equation of line. Yes? Equation of line, which is what? Right? C, it will be how to evaluate an integral of that equation. Yes? Find the integral of what? So, this is what we are going to do anytime we should be asking those questions. Yes? Relating to only a point of line. Right? Yes, if these are news, thank you very much. Yes, this is what we are going to focus on. Please focus. You see, this is a simple question from senior 3 and senior 2, or grade 5, sorry, grade 6 and 7, sorry, grade 7 and 8. Also, this is a question from grade 7, 8, and 9. This is a grade 12 question relating to grade 12. So focus on this question and try to find what have you asked. We are going to do it together. Yes? So for those who are in Rwanda, there are some ideas that I have got from my just student. They told me that it is better also to use Kinyarwanda. So I am going to prepare that content, and I need your comment in the comment box whether we should continue to use Kinyarwanda and in English, mix of those two languages. Now focus on these questions. I'm coming to solve them. Hello, dear my students. So now let's continue by just solving those above questions. So as I told you, thank you very much for those who are tapping on like. Thank you, Tiger. Hello, people. Yeah, hello. Nabatuj, good. Thank you. Hello too. Is a news. How are you? Now, as I told you, we are going to do that question. Right? We are going to do this question here on chalk on board, where we have this point, and we have asked to find out gradient is sub-question A, sub-question B, it is a question of line. The last one, it is about integral of y. So where do we find the y? It means it will be a question from those 2 points that you have there above. Are you together, dear students? So now I invite everyone, don't miss, so that this one should be used in different exams. Yes, should be just be done different exams. Don't miss. Now let's have a solution of this equation. First one, we have to start on finding the gradient. Yes, the gradient of those 2 points. Last time I have showed you, or I told you how should we find the gradient when you have given 2 points. So now, as I told you, it is better to revise when you are just ending at each lesson. You have to revise what have we studied. Don't be please miss. Don't go somewhere without revising what have we done. Yes, through our platform. So now let's find the solution of this. Is our solution, right? Now we have given 2 points. You see, A is equal to 3 and 2, B is equal to 5 and 10. These are 2 points. Then some question A, we have asked to find out the gradient. How the gradient will be? Now the gradient, it will be, I showed you a formula used for finding a gradient. If you have given 2 points, it means M, this is a gradient. Yes, it or a slope. It will be, this is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Yes, this is general form used for finding a gradient. Are we together? So now let me please draw two lines here. Let me draw 2 lines here. So now let us continue by showing you. Yes, I come to light where there is light. So now let us continue at point A, which is 3 and 2. We have x1 and y1. Are we together here? At point B, we have, this is 5 and 10. It is 5 and 10. Yes? Where we have, this is x2 and y2. So among those 2 points, it is where we are going to find x1 and x2, also y1 and y2. So now let's find the gradient of this equation. It is as written there on the board. It is m, which is, now back to our formula here, where we have y2. This is y2, right? It is 10. It is 10 minus, how is y1? You see in the formula, y1 it will be, this is y1, it is equal to this number 2 over, right? How is what we call x2? X2, it will be, excuse me, yes, x2, it will be this 5. Are we together? This is a 5 minus, yes, minus x1. How is the x1 is equal to 3? This is 3, right? So now our gradient finally it will be 10 minus 2 remaining with 8. Yes? This 5 minus this 3 will remain with 2. Are we together? Then our gradient will be 8 over 2 will remain with 4. Yes? This is our gradient. It will be equal to this number 4. So are we together there? Dear students, are we together? So now let us continue. Let us continue for the next step. The next step will be yes. The next step, this is a gradient. It is some question A that you have asked. A gradient is equal to this 4. There we have 4. It is a gradient. So now B is what is find the equation of line. It will be what? It is our equation of line that we are going to find out. Right? So now the equation of line, let me like be here. So remember, as I told you, it is this is equation of line. It is y, it is a constant, as I told you, minus y1, which is our gradient, yes, or our slope, right? Times x minus x1. This is general formula used for finding a gradient. Yes, I have written this last time. Are you together? The people from Rwanda, how are you doing, please? Even though the others from outside of Rwanda, in India, how are you doing also? Yes, let us continue. So now our equation of line, this is y minus y1, which is equal to m, open the bracket, x minus x1 close the bracket. So this is general formula used for calculating or finding the equation of line, right? So for those who are here, thank you very much. Joshua. Yo, thank you very much, Joshua. You're welcome. Please tap on like. If you are new here, don't go without subscribing. Joshua, hello. Even if you are the one from Rwanda, thank you very much. Or the one from outside, it is better to have you, please, on my platform. Yes, Joshua, I see. The one who is new at our platform, please tap in the comment box. So now this is general formula used for calculating equation of line. So it is number, this sub question B, right? As A, it was find the gradient. So sub question B, it is about to find the equation of line. How is the equation of line? This is equal y minus. How is y1? As I told you, y1 it is on the point 1, right? Right? Point 1 is equal to, as y1 is equal to equal, how is the gradient? M implies the gradient. A gradient is equal to 4. This is 4. Open bracket, x minus, how is the x1? You come also on the point 1 where we have h, it is 3. Close the bracket, right? We remain with removing this bracket by multiplying this number with those which are in the bracket, right? So the one who write there, the Rwanda, courage my teacher, ndakwemera cyane. Thank you very much. Nanyi ndakwemera. Amakuru. For those who are on the platform, the one who just written, courage my teacher, I just like you. Ndakwemera cyane. Me too, I like you. Nanyi ndabemera. Amakuru. Thank you very much for your support. Keep please connected, even though you have to share this to your colleagues. Yes, the one who is new, don't go without subscribing. Also, tab on like and write in the comment box. Are we together, dear friends? Much respect you. So now let us continue. It is the number sub question B where we are going to find the equation of line. This, let us clean this. Now let us continue by our equation of line. It is y minus 2. As I told you, we are going to multiply this 4 to those numbers which are in the factor form. Now it will be 4 times x, remain with 4x. 4 times 2 minus 3, we remain with minus 12. Are we together there? Yes, Rwanda, ni meza, ni Boaze. Oh, Boaze. Thank you very much. You see, just I am going, please, to grow up my channel. That's why I always try to do live stream. Yes, every 5 o'clock p.m. I try to do a live stream. Buri munsi. Yes, gerageza saa 11 zuzuye z'umugoroba nkora live stream. Yes, that's why I am online. I am teaching online. Not only making videos, I am just teaching online so that I should gain more followers through my online plan. Thank you very much, Boaz. So now it is better also to continue